Aging itself reminds us of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's time limits that are given to us. It's very important to remember that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us only a limited time in this dunya to obey Him, to submit to Him, to follow His commands. And if we don't do that, we are aging. We all need to remember that whatever time passes is actually gone from our hand. We're literally sitting on a ticking clock. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us a very limited time in this dunya. The textbook is also already given in the form of Quran, and the complete syllabus with complete practical examples are given in the form of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam sunnah. Aging should also alarm us. Aging should also remind us that we now have very little time left. We have to be very cognizant of this time. We need to be very concerned about the rest of the time that is at our hand. And we don't know how much time do we have on our hand, right? Every year that passes tells us that these many years are gone. And if those years are gone in ignorance, and if those years are gone in arrogance, if those years were gone in disobedience of Allah, those years are wasted. But what you have is today. So today should be the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, how to actually work towards Allah's cause, and how to work to actually make things better the way Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught us. Remember that, inshallah, and keep me in your du'as.